Happy Saturday, beautiful people. We will be picking for the 11th. But before we do, I just want to say thank you to all of you. You guys have been leaving some amazing comments on the videos, and I feel like I'm really getting to know a lot of you so well. So thank you for your warm comments. Thank you for sharing your stories with me. Elizabeth, I see your message in here. You know I can't see everybody's name. Terry B, Sadie, I'm sorry you guys if I butchered up. You already know me and making up names. Rebecca, all of you, Mia, Carol, Constance, Nina. I think every day I'm gonna try and just highlight the comments. Mia has been here forever. Hey girl, hey. Rebecca, I just want to say thank you. I seen Kiko do this over on Keiko Beauty, and I see her feature comments, and I thought that was such a neat idea. So I want to do the same thing as well. So I won't read them all individual, but I want you to know that I am reading them when I'm alone. But I want to say thank you. Denise, another one, and Latanya, oh my gosh, forever and a day she's been here. She does not miss a video, and I appreciate you. Elizabeth, like I said, it goes on and on. So each day, or each week, I should say, because you guys know I'll start something and forget it. Ernestine, I am definitely saying thank you. Samantha, okay? And leave your video request in the description box below. Thank you, Ernest. This is another one. What is her name? Amaretta. Yeah, we have a lot in common. We like a lot of the same fragrances. Okay, guys, on to the video. Or not to the video, but, you know, on to picking for the 11th. Because today is going to be a crazy... Oh, God, here it goes again. Okay, hold on. At least I have 2 hands to do it today. We already did the 7th, so we can move that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is giving very light vibes. Oh, wait. Listen. Okay. Here we go. I like the sound of the anticipation or intensification. Did I say that right? Anticipation. Whatever. You know what I'm saying. It just makes me excited. Oh God, you guys, I feel confetti. Oh my God, no. Let's bring the light over. I do feel confetti. I'm having so much fun with this, you guys. I really am. Like I said, I cannot stress enough. Oh, I knew what it was when I signed up. I went online and I looked at it. So I knew what it was. I didn't look at all of the things in detail, but I knew, you know. Hold on, I can't even get this. What is this, lipstick? Yeah, it's a Rouge lipstick. Okay, a Rouge velvet lipstick. Okay, I'll have to wear this in the next video and we'll see how it looks. It's not a full size, you guys. It's not. Let me see. It's not a full size. It is a smaller one. Hold on, let me turn another light on just so that we can see it. Hello, light? Oh, there we go. Thank you. And then there was light. So it is a Rouge Allure velvet lipstick. It's in the color 58. It is a voluminous matte lipstick. So let's see the color. Perhaps I'll swatch it. And then on this side, you guys, it does offer the 2 double C's, which is always a plus. That's why I love the brand. Double C. Okay, this is what the color is looking like. Yes, okay, so that's what the color is looking like. Let's swatch it. Let's just, oh my gosh, you guys, that looks really good. That looks like a lot of the colors that I'm already wearing, wouldn't you say? I don't know if it's a blue red. You guys, you know I don't know makeup like that. I wear what I like. I don't really know. Oh, this voice. Say less, girl, just say less. Anyways, this is Rouge Allure Velvet, shade 58, and this is day 11. Quick 2.5, you guys. I am going to do this. You know how I am, but I have tons and tons of samples, so I said, why not put them to use? I played with these 2 that I'm going to share with you and tell you my thoughts, first impressions on them, and if I would purchase a full bottle. Now, you know I have the right to change my mind, but I can definitely tell you I won't be changing my mind when it comes to these. I played with these. This one here. This is by L'Interdit, by Givenchy, and this was a big no for me. This is what the bottle looks like here. I had the sample. I have 2 of them. I played with it. I slept in it. I wore it for about, I would say 10 hours, although I didn't smell it for 10 hours. It got on the body. It is not long lasting at all. It was there. It was annoying. It was not my scent. It's not my zhuzh. It kind of smelled dated to me. It didn't smell like anything new, fresh, upbeat, vibrant, and then it didn't have any hot, heavy, sexy, intoxicating, any of that to me. It had notes in it that you think I would have really loved it because it has a few of my favorite notes like orange blossom, tuberose, jasmine. It has a little bit of pear in there. It's a very warm floral fragrance in my opinion, and it's not very long lasting, and it's just a note. And I've heard so much about this brand and so much about the flankers of this fragrance, so perhaps I need to try some of the other ones, but I did try these two as well as this one. And this is Eau de Parfum as well, so if you're able to see that there, this is the Eau de Parfum, and it was just a no for me. It just smells very dated. Like, no, absolutely not. Like 19, I don't know, 80 or something. I don't know, it's just not for me. Then I did try this one here. I thought it would smell sweet and it would be a little bit better because it is an Eau de Parfum and it's irresistible. And you know, I thought that would be sexy. However, it was a no as well. It was a no for me. It just smelled, like I said, irritating. Like when I put it on, I wanted it to come off. I just did not like it. And it's a rose effervescent fragrance, so I thought that I would really like it because I still am on the hunt looking for a beautiful rose fragrance, but I haven't come across one that I absolutely love yet. It's a no for me. So I'll probably be picking from, you know, all of the samples that I have. These aren't all, this is just the ones that are on the tray, and I'll just tell you my first impressions and thoughts about them every time I don't have a really long video so that I can share some with you. This will be something that we can do. It's a way for me to go through my samples and, you know, do hits and misses, and both of these are misses. Okay, let's go. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching the videos. I appreciate you. Please leave your comment down below. Like I said, every video that you're watching, I want to hear from you. I am going to put this under the tree. Every video that you're watching, I do want to hear from you. Just leave, if you don't know what to say, leave your scent of the day. You could just say hi, and then make sure you're over on Instagram following me because there's going to be some very exciting, how do I say this without saying this, but saying this? Something exciting is going to happen today, and it's going to happen on my Instagram. So you do not, repeat, you do not want to miss my Instagram today. So if you're not following me, pause what you're doing. Cheraye's Lifestyle is what my Instagram handle is. Come over and say hi. Let me show you. Let me make it easy. There it is, Cheraye's Lifestyle. Come over, hang out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darling. Thanks for watching. Oh, and my scent of the day, I'm gonna post it on Instagram because I'm in the midst of getting dressed right now, and I don't know what it is yet, but I will post it on Instagram and I will pin it in this video. Okay, talk to you later. Bye, guys.